to KHS Science Christmas. Here I have a few fun little Christmas themed experiments that are easy to do and safe for you to try at home if you're looking for something to amaze your family and friends. Let's start with episode 1, the disappearing candy canes. Let your imagination take you to the North Pole with Father Christmas and the elves. As we all know, the elves work very hard helping Santa get everything ready for his Christmas deliveries. But sometimes they can be a little bit mischievous, such as the occasion when Santa needed to load all the Christmas sweets onto his sleigh, but he couldn't find the candy canes. What could have happened to them? Well, after much investigation, it was discovered that the elves had left the candy canes sitting in a pot in the kitchen, and then they had had a food fight with baking powder, otherwise known as bicarbonate of soda, and vinegar, of all things. Well, can you guess what happened when they spilled all the baking powder on top of the candy canes and then they poured the vinegar on top? Well, let me come down there so you can have a good view. And we will see what happened. Let me just take the spoon out. Have a look. In goes the vinegar. Now, can you see how that is all fizzing up in there around the candy cane? Well, why is that happening? Well, here comes the sciencey bit. The vinegar is an acid, and the baking powder is an alkali. They react together to form a gas, and that is what causes the fizz. Now, what do you think might happen if we leave that candy cane fizzing away in there? Can you make any predictions? Well, maybe that's something you could try when you're at home. You could leave the candy cane fizzing away for half an hour or an hour and maybe even overnight and see what happens. Was your prediction correct? We shall see. And more sleigh bells.